In this video, we will be discussing how to change users, names, and voicemail passwords for users in the IP Office system. First thing we are going to do is open the Manager application and log into the system. For details on how to log into the system, please see the Admin Overview video. We will start by connecting to the system by pressing the Open Configuration from IP Office button. We will then select the system we want to connect to and log in. The username and password will be given to you by your administrator. It will typically be Manager, and the password will be Manager Access. For this video, we will be logging in as the administrator. Once we are connected, we will select Users from the left-hand side, which will bring up the user list in the center column. We will then select the user we wish to edit. So if we want to change the user name for extension 3200, we would simply select user 3200, type in the name, make sure the extension number is where we want it to be, and change any other pertinent information for this user, such as making sure voicemail is on and making sure it has the appropriate buttons. More on button programming later in another video. For this video, we are simply going to give this user a new name. Mailboxes are created based on the user's name. So once we save this configuration back to the phone system, a new mailbox will be created based on this spelling of this name. If for some reason we misspelled this name and we have to change it, a new mailbox will be created. You will notice we have this little icon here. This states that extension 3200 doesn't exist. If you hover over it, it will tell you what the alert is. What this means is that there is no physical port for extension 3200. So in this instance, 3200 will be a voicemail-only mailbox. Make sure that voicemail is on, and then we would save the configuration back to the system. To change a user's voicemail password of an existing user, we would simply select the user. Again, we can sort by name or by extension number by clicking on the top of the header. We would select the user, go to the voicemail tab, and change the voicemail code. Whatever we type in here will be used to log in to that mailbox the next time the user attempts to log in. They will also be asked to change that password. We would then save the configuration back to the phone system. You also have the option of enabling or disabling the voicemail box for that user. This does not delete the voicemail box. This just prevents calls from going to voicemail if they call this user directly. We would then save the configuration back to the system. And have the user re-log in. This concludes our video on how to change user names and voicemail passwords.